The Nightingale, a novel by Kristin Hannah, a #1 New York Times bestseller, Wall Street Journal Best Book of the Year. This unforgettable novel of love and strength in the face of war has enthralled a generation. With courage, grace, and powerful insight, best-selling author Kristin Hannah captures the epic panorama of World War II and illuminates an intimate part of history seldom seen, the Women's War. The Nightingale tells the stories of two sisters separated by years and experience, by ideals, passion, and circumstance, each embarking on her own dangerous path toward survival, love, and freedom. In German-occupied, war-torn France, a heartbreakingly beautiful novel that celebrates the resilience of the human spirit and the durability of women. It is a novel for everyone, a novel for a lifetime. Goodreads Best Historical Novel of the Year People's Choice, Favorite Fiction Winner, #1 Indie Next Selection, a Buzzfeed. And the Week Best Book of the Year. Haunting, action-packed, and compelling. Christina Baker Kline, #1 New York Times best-selling author. Absolutely riveting. Read this book. Dr. Miriam Klein Kassenoff, Director of the University of Miami Holocaust Teacher Institute. Beautifully written and richly evocative. Sara Gruen, #1 New York Times best-selling author. A heart-pounding story. USA Today. Click on the link below to grab your Audible, Kindle, paperback, or hardcover copy. This is a channel dedicated to detailed review of the best online books. Bookfy loves books.